Hello and welcome to this very special program which is designed to answer the queries of the students who are going to appear in the end semester examination to be held in home-based open book examination system. This program is being prepared under the direction of the Vice Chancellor, Central University of Orissa. I am Saurabh Gupta and with me today I have Dr. Kakoli Banerjee and Dr. Minati Sahu to discuss about the nitty-gritties of the home-based open book examination. Dr. Banerjee,
Yes.
I would like to ask you what is exactly the meaning of home-based open book examination?
Yeah, sort of. Actually, this time, because of this pandemic of COVID-19, we have planned that because students cannot come to the university, so there should be some reliability of the students. So, to answer sitting at home, they need not have to come to the university. Rather, they will sit at home and they can utilize whatever resources they have and can answer the papers. That is what we are looking at this situation, so that we can stop the product of the this corona spreading and all those things. So that is what we have planned from the university.
Okay, thank you. ମିନତି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ କହିପାରିବେ ଏଇ ହୋମ ବେସ୍ଡ ଓପନ ବୁକ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ ୟାର ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ସାଧାରଣ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଆଉ ୟା ଭିତରେ ପାର୍ଥକ୍ୟ କ'ଣ ଅଛି?
ସାଧାରଣ ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ଆମେ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିରେ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପସ ଭିତରେ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାସରେ ଏକ୍ସାମ ପେପର ଦିଆ ହୁଏ, ସେମାନେ ସେଇଠି ବସିକି କ୍ଲାସରେ ଏକ୍ସାମ କରନ୍ତି। କିନ୍ତୁ ଯାହାକି ଏବେ କରୋନା ଭାଇରସ ସିଚୁଏସନରେ ବହୁତ ଅସୁବିଧା ଚାଲିଛି, ତ ଏଇଟା ସ୍ପ୍ରେଡ୍ ନ ହଉ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ହୋମ୍ ବେସ୍ଡ ଓପନ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଆଡପ୍ଟ କରିଛି। ହୋମ୍ ବେସ୍ଡ ଓପନ୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ यूनिवर्सिटी किंबा कैंपस को आसवा दरकार नहीं, घरे बसिकी ही सेमाने परीक्षा अटेंड करेंगे किंबा आउ सेमाने सुविधा देखिकी आइदर तांकर इंटरनेट सुविधा थिबो जदि सेमाने मेल किंबा व्हाट्सएप थ्रू पठे पारिबे। जो पिलांकर इंटरनेट सुविधा नाही सेमाने कोरियर किंबा स्पीड पोस्ट द्वारा मध्य तांकर आंसर शीट पठे पारिबे। तो एई सब रु हमर मेन उद्देश्य हैला आमे तांको कोरोना वायरस रु केंति सेफ एंड तांको हेल्दी रखिबा।
Thank you. Dr. Banerjee, can you kindly elaborate on the process in which the students may appear the exam and submit their answers?
Actually, sort of what we have planned, that the students will be answering we will be sending our questions through emails or WhatsApp, and the students are supposed to sit and write the examination at home. Then they can post it on the website, they can send it directly to the controller, or we can have specific emails where the students will be submitting their examination answer sheets, or they can send on WhatsApp. We will have specific numbers for that. And apart from that, if the students who fail to get the internet facilities, for them we have also kept one option open. They can send it through speed post, or they can go for some courier services, whichever is feasible. And those who are residing in very remote places, in fact they can come to some nearby locations. We have kept that option also open if they can use the internet facility. So that option we have kept open for the students.
Okay. मिनती मैडम ए परीक्षा संपर्क रे जदि पिलांकर किछि कंफ्यूजन रहिबो ता से काहा को कांटेक्ट करिवे आ परीक्षा केबे को पेपर रो परीक्षा हो पिला जानिबे केनि?
आपन को प्रथम क्वेश्चन पाई कि पिलांको जदि भी किछि क्वेरीज किछि भी डाउट रहउछि से माने तांकर डिपार्टमेंट करो सर किंबा तांको मैडम को तांको फोन करिकि किंबा तांको मेल करिकि कोनोसी माध्यम रे से तांको डाउट क्लियर करि पारंती। इवन सी तांको कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन को भी पछारी कि तांको डाउट क्लियर करि पारिबे। नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन पाई कि
मु पछारथिली जे से माने जानिबे केमिति शेड्यूल
तो शेड्यूल जानिया पाई कि तांको वेबसाइट रे यूनिवर्सिटी वेबसाइट को जिबा को पड़िबो, जोठी कि शेड्यूल को दिनो को एग्जाम अछि शेड्यूल आपनकर वेबसाइट रे दिया हेछि। तो से माने वेबसाइट को जिबे तांकर एग्जाम डेट देखिबे, को एग्जाम डेट रे को परीक्षा अछि देखिकि से माने तांकर जानि पारिबे आ से अनुसार तांकर प्रिपरेशन करिवे।
यूनिवर्सिटी वेबसाइट माने www.cuo.ac.in. Dr. Banerjee, there is a common query that whether this open book home based examination is it at par with the conventional exam, and the degrees which the students will get, will it be a feasible degree and a degree which will be used by them later for their career?
Of course. It's a very valid question that you have asked. Most of the students are really in confusion that whether their degrees will be accepted by other universities or any other institution for going for the future career. That is what we are often getting calls also. But there is absolutely in black and white, this degree will be equivalent to the degree of the conventional system of examination. So they should underline the word that it is at par with the degree of the conventional examination. Absolutely, this degree is valid for any type of higher education or any type of service they want to apply.
মিনতি ম্যাডাম, এই হোম বেসড ওপেন বুক এক্সামিনেশন দেলে পিলাঙ্কর ভবিষ্যৎ মানে কিছু অসুবিধা নাই তো? এটা এট পার আছে তো?
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଏଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ କନଭେନସନାଲ ମେଥଡରେ ଯେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡିଟି ଯେମିତି ଅଛି, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇ ମେଥଡ ଦ୍ୱାରା ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟର କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ, ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଆଟ୍ ପାର୍। ତ ୟା ପାଇଁକି ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ଡରିବା କିମ୍ବା ଭୟ କରିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ କି ଆମର ଏଇ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟଟା କୌଣସି ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରିବ କି ନାହିଁ। ତ ଏଇଟା ଆମର ଓପନ୍ ବୁକ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମିନେସନ୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମ୍ ଯେଉଁ ମେଥଡ଼ଟା କରାହେଇଛି, ଏଇଟା ଓନ୍ଲି ବିକଜ୍ ଆମର ଏଇ ଏମର୍ଜେନ୍ସି ସିଚୁଏସନ୍କୁ ନେଇକି କରାହେଇଛି। ତ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ଟା ଯାହା ତମର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ୍ ଆସିବ, ଏଇଟା ଆଟ୍ ପାର୍ ଆମର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ୍ ଯେଉଁଟା କନଭେନସନାଲ୍ ମେଥଡ଼ରୁ ଆମେ କରୁଛୁ। ତ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ୟା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି କହିବା ପାଇଁ କି ୟା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡରିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ଖାଲି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ର ମେଥଡ଼ଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଛି, ତା ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁ ବି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ୍ ସେମାନେ ପାଇବେ, ୟା ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ହେବ ନାହିଁ।
ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଓପନ୍ ବୁକ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସୁବିଧାଜନକ ହେବ?
ମୁଁ ତ ଭାବୁଛି କି ଏଇଟା ବେଷ୍ଟ ମେଥଡ଼, କାହିଁକି ଏଇ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ରେ ଘରୁ ବାହାରିବା, ସରକାର ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସବୁବେଳେ ଗାଇଡ଼ଲାଇନ୍ ବାହାର କରୁଛି, ସବୁ ମେଜର ବାହାର କରୁଛି କି ଏମିତି କର ନାହିଁ, ସେମିତି କର ନାହିଁ। ତ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ଘରୁ ଏଇଠିକି ଆସିବା, ରହିବା, ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଦେବାଠୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଆମର ଘରେ ବସିକି ଇଜିଲି ସେମାନେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଦେବା। ତ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି କି ଏଇଟା ବେଷ୍ଟ ମେଥଡ଼। ଏଇ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍କୁ ନେଇକି ଆଉ କୌଣସି ମେଥଡ଼ରେ ରିସ୍କ ରହିବ, ଏଇ ମେଥଡ଼ଟା ବେଷ୍ଟ ମେଥଡ଼, ଯୋଉଠିକି ପିଲା ଘରେ ବସିକି ତାଙ୍କର ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଦେଇପାରିବେ ଆଉ ଟାଇମଲି ତାଙ୍କର ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ୍ ସେମାନେ ପାଇପାରିବେ।
Why do you think this examination, home-based open book exam, is going to benefit the students of the Central University of Odisha under the present situation?
Right. See, the present rules and regulations or whatever ordinances are being issued by the government is basically aiming at one point. Government wants that every citizen of our country should be safe. So, and students particularly who have a wide future in their hands, they should not face any type of contaminous disease problem which will hamper in sitting for their further examination. So now if students are supposed to come over here as in a conventional method, they are going to intermingle with all the other students and the chances of contamination will increase.
So, as per the government of Odisha rules, it is not possible also.
Not possible also. And we are at par, we have accepted that. So it is best way that they are safe, they are secure, they are in the hands of their parents. So no further queries on health problems will again arise. If you are going to sit in the home and answer, there is absolutely, and we rely on our students. Why should we question our students' integrity? So that is why I think it is enhancing the university status in that way, because it shows that we rely on the students and also with the faculty. That is what our university aims at.
Thank you, Dr. Banerjee and Dr. Sahu. I think all the queries of the students by now have been cleared, and I would request all the students of the Central University of Odisha to kindly make full utilization of this opportunity, appear for this home-based open book examination and get your careers rolling. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you all.